Good day, teachers. This video, I will show you how to set up a portable learning management system, from downloading to installing and basically launching the entire system. Mr. Larry Arihensha will talk more about the specifics of the said setup.
At this point, we already have downloaded and extracted our PLMS files. So I have here a CHED PLMS folder, which contains the two files, the server folder and the click to start PLMS executable file. Now, the PLMS will not start if we place this one inside a particular folder. So to make it run and work, we have to copy this in a root location like drive D or drive C. So at this stage, I'm going to place it in drive D. So I simply place this one here. Okay. So in fact, I already copied this one because it's taking a little while. So I have server, and then I'm gonna just paste the other file. So I now have the two files here has highlighted, and then I'm going to run and double click click to start PLMS. So when you start running this particular, you will see this particular window. So starting Moodle server, and then automatically it's going to open up the Moodle instance. So at this stage, we would remind you not to close this particular window, because this is the one that allows us to function virtually or allow our Moodle to run an instance virtually. So you might be wondering why I have here PLMS running already, because the last time I stopped here, it was not running. So I have to log out this one first and then stop. Let me just try to do it again. So basically, this is how you stop also Moodle or the PLMS from running. Okay, so I have already logged out, and then I'm going to close this tab, and then let's try. Oh, I still have another instance here. Let me just close this one as well. So as you can see, once this Moodle window is closed, you can no longer connect. So let's try running that again. Let's go back to our directory. So it's here. It's starting. So once it starts, I am now back to the primary page. Now, when I click on login, this is how you have already started, or we have already started PLMS. So you can log in with your default credentials. And here you are. So the very basic file that you have in your PLMS version right now only contains one sample virtual classroom. So that is the smallest file that we have set out for you, and hopefully you can actually make changes to that one as well. So yeah, that's it. Very easy.